Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with some mail. I went to the mailbox on Christmas Eve, and now I went to the mailbox today, Monday after the Christmas holiday, and I got a whole bunches of mail. Let's love Mary Jane reviews. Look at how cute with the camper. Love it, Mary Jane. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Look at this stamp. Have a Merry Christmas. It says, may all your Christmas wishes come true. Aw. And look at this globe. She's added a sticker here. And she's colored this Santa and then added this washi trim. It is from Jackie. She's Lady J Crafts 216 here on YouTube. Thank you so much, Jackie. And this is from Queen Bee Andrea. She is a new friend, and I did enter a challenge of hers recently. Aw, and it's thank you for entering my birthday challenge. I loved everything, and she's given me some critter stickers. Thank you. This is from my girl Tree, and she is Craft On here on YouTube, but look at how cute. She has this beautiful tag here. It says all is bright and fa la la paper on the back. And then she's gifted this beautiful layered up ornament. How beautiful. Tree, this is gorgeous. The glittered paper. Thank you so much, Tree. Thank you, thank you. Pam Rivers. How cute. Look at this little tag. So cute. With the little jingle bell. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pam. And she's also included some fun Disney stickers. Oh, thank you. Thank you for these. I appreciate them. Thank you so much. Okay, we'll stick this over there. And then this one is from Kimberly Cochran. She's Kimberly Cochran here on YouTube. Oh my gosh, girl. Look at this. So she has it all bundled up with this beautiful festive red bow. And she has this Christmas tree die cut. Oh, so pretty. Look at this. Look at he shimmers. Look at the background paper. Look at that. It says happy memories. Oh my goodness. And she has gifted me with bunches of craft stuff that I can use. Oh, so sweet, girl. Oh, so she's gifted a whole bunch of stuff. She's sharing part of her stash. Thank you. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. And she's included a whole bunch of Disney stuff. Oh, thank you. Look at the paper. This is cool. Thank you so much, Kim. I appreciate it. Hope you guys had a happy or Merry Christmas. Hope you guys all have a Happy New Year. Thank you so much, Kim. And then this last one says the holiday card swap raffle. I think this is from Happy Mail Stamper. This is another card I received. How cute. I love it. And then here is the second card I received. 'Tis the season. Oh, and it comes with a tag that matches. Oh, and it was handmade by Tiffany Byton. Insta and YouTube is Glam Nurse. Hi, Tiff. Thank you. I got one of your cards. And this one was made by... Hey, Kim, look, I got one of your cards, too. Thanks, Kim. So stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I'm excited for the new year. I have some new things coming up on the channel. And yeah, if you're returning, welcome back. Hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas and that your New Year's is full of joy and memories. We pop fireworks here. That's a big thing that we do in Hawaii, and so we've brought that tradition to Arizona with us, and believe me, our neighbors do know. But so I'll try to get video and share it on my channel here in the future. But hopefully you guys are having a crafty day, and until my next video, shakas!